Who is that? When I hear voice, my ex-husband voice, say,
what does that mean?
They tell me, say, today, that be my last day, now today I go.
Hey my people, this video wanna just watch, so I go put the full video for na make una watch more see wetin happen to this woman. Now wow, wonder shall never end. Things dey happen for inside life. This woman, according to this woman story, on the 31st wey just pass so, na this woman land Benin, na Italy na this woman dey stay. All those people wey be say dem dey do euro to euro, dem dey carry things from Europe, they come Nigeria, they'll still carry from Nigeria go abroad. So this woman, a married woman, he said in with her husband, they can't get misunderstanding. She no want again. Now she go return bride price. Oh, hey, okay, bride price na return now. It can't be saying another thing. He said now the man can't say no, they take. I be the man can't take, which I don't know. Now go hear am for inside there. And the man not let go. You understand? No, say some men they like that. Oh, if you say you want go return the money, they go say they not they taking yak zeba your one, but you can't be like a zeba for your hand. This woman say on the 31st, now she can't land. Though as she land, she don't land Benin. So now watch night day. Now understand? So everybody like music day, all those things. So it can't reach when she want to sleep. She can't hear some noise for her window. So he come the person come dey like knock the window. Then she come dey say, who be that? He said na the man come say na your husband. He said na today na you go see this life reach. Hey my people. He said na she come dey say, wetin concern me concern you. Abeg make you dey go. Leave me alone. He said before she dey even dey talk all this one. He don hear they don break the window. Boo! Pour fuel for inside house. As they do, and then she can't open door. Hey, as she they run, they go there. Don't put fire, my people. Una go hear for the woman mouth. Can you imagine this life? Hey, brother, if sister say no, they do again. Leave am, they go. Life goes on. If they pain and truth, but you know warrant. May you can't put yourself for problem. They hold the man. They say the man they station. So maybe if the video still come out, I go see bring and come for una. Make we hear why the man go do that kind of thing. The God will say this woman they alive. Oh, God was so kind. The house born, everything born, but the woman because tenant day. So they come, then they put fire now. So they fit raw come out for inside house. The God will say this woman say he no come meet am for inside house. Una know say all these people they fit break silly for up from up for there they'll come meet you direct for inside house like say they can't think that one. The God will say this woman need to attack in God though, because he said money will bring come will be said they give a may go give a family almost 42 million 42,000 euro. He said the money everything born everything will carry con you document everything born for his house because now that very day she just reach Benin. My brothers and sisters, if woman say don't they do not be by force. So this woman need to thank Baba God though, because if the man see me now say he want to reach by him, if I meet him for his house, nobody go know what happen. He go even buy him for his house, come on for there. Not be lie, oh my people. May I put the video for now? I beg, please send me to love and like and share for me so that other people go see what happen. Because be careful. If some mess or family day, if you say make carry make you return money, you go say you not go return. For am to return you go come beat wahala say you want come buy you. Ask me whether na by force. Marriage don't be by force. So if you work, if you not work, oh yeah na do your own, make I do my own. There are many fishes in the river. Women dey outside. Men still dey. Maybe not be your destiny to marry. And you understand? But some people they know they want. They'll say they want buy. May I put this video? Now bye for now. God bless you as you help me to share, love and like. Now bye.
While the people of Edo State joined others all over the world to usher in the new year, a family in a house at number 7 Henry Asemota Street in Benin City had the worst moment of their lives. An international businesswoman, Uyi Tina, was married to a man identified as Osayo Aunwa, but the marriage broke down in irreconcilable circumstances. The woman was said to have returned the bride price to the family, which they said was accepted. Reports say the estranged couple had been having continuous squabbles for close to 1 year. The woman, Wetin, returned to Nigeria from Europe on the 31st of December 2024 and checked into her house at Idowina in Benin City. But at about 1 a.m. on 1st January 2025, when the people were celebrating the New Year, the said assailant stormed the house with a 4 liters of petrol and immediately set the entire house ablaze, while the woman and other occupants were inside. It took the intervention of neighbors for the woman to escape, but not without injuries. When EBS TV News visited the house, the building and other household items were completely burnt down. The car in the compound was also touched. Some family members expressed surprise over the attack.
Around 1 o'clock, they called me that break the window, spray the room, this very one. Yes. That's where she's sleeping.
What happened is there's a man she was married to, which they are no longer together, and bride price has been returned. So she came from abroad just on the 31st, and then the man got a wind that she's around. The man came to the house, broke the window, poured fuel into the house, and wanted to set her ablaze, but she was able to escape. But her documents, the money she brought in, and all others, all got burnt, and the house completely razed down.
The victim, Wetin, who is now in the hospital, appealed to the police to expand their investigation on the incident.
Yesterday around I think 1 o'clock midnight, somebody will hit my window. I just wake up. Who is that? When I hear voice, my ex-husband voice, say,
What does that mean?
They tell me, say, today, that be my last day, now today I will die for you. So when I hear the voice, now I start the chassis. Sarah, you want break my window? Sarah, you want break my window? Sarah, you want break my window? Come break the window. When you break the window finish, no get to run go. I mean, no one open my door. May not come enter as if they aside inside the compound that is inside the man say, how many they enter the compound but we lock gates. So the next thing when I see for him now, fuel, he carried and enter the window, start to spray fuel. I said, Sarah came on wow, Sarah, you want bomb my house? Sarah, you want bomb my house? I come they try to find my document, but now yesterday, now I come down from Italy. I they do Italy business, they carry load they go, carry load they come, they carry arrow they go. Carry load go back. So people wait there Europe, they will say give me me I carry come back to Nigeria. So that yesterday I start my month no start. So I not figure deliver the message. So all the message there. So I called them because on second day I bring everything. So okay. I they try to find where I even keep. I not even know where I keep things again. The next thing when I hear boom, me I run come and my dog just back. Boom. I don't force myself, open the door. That's why I take come.
So fire?
Fire on fire. When they give me for Italy, me I supply, me I give them for area. The money born about 42,000 euros. It born. All my gold, my things, my document, my Italian documents, everything born.
This is the situation right now at Idowina, where the house was completely burnt down, and then investigation revealed that the man who was alleged to have committed this crime is currently with the police at Ekiadolo Division. In our subsequent broadcasts of our news production, we'll be able to update you further on the situation, especially a special interview with the man on why he actually carried out this dastardly act. From Idowina here in Benin, Festus Alen Khe, EBS News.